Hi everyone! Welcome to my first video on integrated skills. Well, permit me to introduce myself. My name is Naima. I'm from Pasangkayu and keep watching this video. Well, today's material is Basic Learning Style Types based on the Cambridge Academic English book. The first is diverging, the second is assimilating, the third is converging, and the last or the fourth is accommodating. Okay, next I will explain the basic learning style types one by one. Okay, the first is diverging. People with these learning styles are best at viewing concrete situations from many points of view. Their approach to situation is to observe rather than take actions. If this is your style, you may enjoy situations that call for generating a wide range of ideas, such as brainstorming. And you probably have broad cultures, interests, and like to gather information. The second is assimilating. People with this learning style are best at understanding a wide range of information and putting it into concise, logical. If this is your style, you probably are less focused on people and more interest in abstract ideas and concepts. Generally, people with this learning style find it more important that a theory have logical soundness than practical value. The third is converging. People with this learning style are best at finding practical uses for ideas and theories. If this is your preferred learning style, you have the ability to solve problems and make decisions based on finding solutions to questions or problems. You would rather deal with technical tasks and problems than with social and interpersonal issues. The last or the fourth is accommodating. People with this learning style have the ability to learn primarily from hands-on experience. If this is your style, you probably enjoy carrying out plans and involving yourself in new and challenging experience. Your tendency may be to act on gut feelings rather than on logical analysis in solving problems. You may rely more heavily on people for information than on your own technical analysis. Okay, I will answer these questions. First, if you have a divergent learning style, would you like to put a new idea immediately into practice? No. I approach to observe rather than take actions, although I enjoy brainstorming sessions. Okay, second, if you have an assimilating learning style, would you like reading about theories? Absolutely yes. It's more important that a theories have logical soundness than practical value. Okay, the third, if you have a convergent learning style, would you like helping to colleges resolve an argument? I don't. I would rather deal with technical tasks and problems rather than to get in people's problem. Okay, the fourth, if you have an accommodating learning style, would you like to try out something new rather than read about it? Yes. In solving problems, I rely more heavily on people for information than on my technical analysis. Okay, the last question is, decide which learning style best describe your way of learning. Personally, diverging is based on describes my way of learning. Why? Okay, for example, in completing a task or I do my homework, I must have many references first before answer the task based on the material, cultural interests. I agree with that. I'm very interested in many cultures. Indirectly, it really helps us to experience other cultures. Okay, enough for today. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye for now.